Have you ever wanted to create a JSON file for your Chrome extension, but found the process a bit overwhelming? You're not alone. Today, we're going to simplify that for you and show you how to build a manifest.json file using Webpack. I totally get it. Trying to assemble a manifest.json file programmatically can feel like a daunting task, especially when you're juggling NPM dependencies and shared fields. But don't worry, we're here to break it down together. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to create a manifest.json file in a smarter way, using shared values from their package.json file. They want to know if there's a way to define a partial manifest.json that includes all the Chrome-specific details while filling in the shared values automatically. Sound familiar? Let's dive in. So what's the challenge here? The user is looking for a way to streamline the creation of their manifest.json file, leveraging the existing data in their package.json. This is a common scenario for developers who want to avoid redundancy and keep their files in sync. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that can save you time and effort when managing your JSON files. To begin building the manifest.json file programmatically, the user should first set up their project with Webpack. This involves creating a new directory and initializing it with npm. Next, the user needs to install Webpack and the necessary plugins. This can be done by running a command in the terminal to add Webpack and the JSON loader. Now, the user should create a Webpack configuration file. This file will define how to process the manifest.json and include the shared values from package.json. Next, the user should create a script that reads the package.json file and merges its values into the manifest.json file. This can be done using Node.js. Finally, the user can run the Webpack build process to generate the final output. This will create the dist folder containing the merged manifest.json file. Fun fact, did you know that JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation? It's a lightweight format that's easy for humans to read and write, and easy for machines to parse and generate. Pretty neat, right? Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach using Webpack 4 is suggested for generating a manifest.json file. The user sets up a webpack.config.js file to define an entry point and rules for processing the manifest.js file. They utilize the extract text plugin to create the manifest.json output. In the app main.js file, the user imports the manifest.js, which constructs the manifest data, including the icon and version from the environment variables. Finally, the manifest data is exported as a JSON string. The user also lists the necessary dependencies in package.json, including extract text Webpack plugin and file loader, to ensure everything works smoothly. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative approach to building a JSON file with Webpack involves using the Copy Webpack plugin. This method allows you to transform your manifest.json file during the build process. In this setup, you define a transformation function that replaces placeholders in your manifest file with actual values, making it dynamic and adaptable. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. One alternative approach is to use a package called Manifest Package Loader. This user has published a modified version of a script that simplifies the process. You can easily add it to your project by running yarn add-d manifest package loader and then updating your webpack.config.js. Additionally, the user mentions another package called chemloader, which might also be useful for building your manifest.json file. You can check it out at the provided link. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. This user suggests that if you're using Webpack 4, you don't need to specify any explicit JSON loaders. They provide a sample Webpack configuration that bundles everything into a single HTML file without needing a JSON loader. In their app.js file, they simply import the JSON data using a straightforward import statement. This approach keeps the configuration clean and efficient. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always keep your package.json and manifest.json in sync by using automated scripts in your build process. This will save you from potential headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now know how to build a manifest.json file programmatically using Webpack. Remember, keeping your files in sync is key to a smooth development process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.